Home smoke alarm test. First we have these two in my bedroom, an ionisation one and a photoelectric one. This is a status KD134A, it's photoelectric. Okay, that was loud. We'll look inside it. There we go. I'm not going to be doing this with the house ones, by the way, that'll be in another video. Here we have this ionisation EI Electronics EI100B. It's pretty high quality smoke alarm from Eco. Take a look inside it. There it is. That's the test button. There we go. Here we have this ionisation EI161 Eco smoke alarm. Okay, that frightened the cat. In my sister's room we have another photoelectric status KD134A. This one's a bit newer. I installed mine a month ago. I installed this one a couple days ago. Here in the living room we have this Kiddie 9HIR carbon monoxide alarm, which doesn't work, so I'm not going to be testing that. Here we have an EI Electronics EI164 heat alarm. Here we have another EI161 ionisation. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I have to clean up a mess I made. Thanks for watching.